what was Sri Rama's reaction to Ma Sita's abduction. When Sri Rama learned that Ma Sita had been abducted, his grief turned into immense anger. The Ramayana describes him in the following way. Rama, in his anger, was like the fire of cosmic destruction. Sri Rama says, "If the gods don't return Sita, my arrows will shatter the worlds of gods, Danavas, Yakshas, and Rakshasas. If they do not return my beloved Vaidehi, I will destroy the entire universe, the three worlds, with all that moves and does not move." But here, Lakshmana reminds him, "You were gentle, self-controlled, and devoted to the welfare of all. You should not abandon your true nature under the control of anger." And this is the lesson. Dharma does not mean never feeling anger. Sri Rama felt it deeply, but he did not let anger become his master. True strength is feeling your emotions fully and still choosing Dharma.